Fresh has been outside from the start. We believe in enjoying and embracing the power of Mother Nature. We choose to do this in a constructive way with simple activities such as walk and talk. These activities are open to every member of the community. It's open to recoverers. It's open to people who are perhaps a little vulnerable. It's open to those who are less able. You are more than welcome. If you are less able, we will assist you. We'll also help with befriending, signposting, and safe choices. Come along to Fresh every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Tuesday 11:30 till 12, meeting at North Sea Court. Thursday 2 to 2:30, meeting at the Winter Garden entrance on Polmill Road for Duthie Park. Saturdays 11 to 11:30, meeting in Channery entrance to Seaton Park beside St Maca Cathedral. Our sessions are variable. They usually run for around 2 hours, but we can run for longer or shorter depending on what suits you. Tuesday and Thursday are our walk, talk and tidy sessions in association with Keep Scotland Beautiful, as well as fantastic Seaton and Linksfield Community Council. We get out there and we help tidy up nature, making it a healthy, safe environment for all. We welcome every member of the community to come along, join in and have some fun with a great, friendly, upbeat team. Aristotle states, there is something to be wondered in all of nature. During long months of the pandemic, millions of us turned to nature. Research on the mental health impacts of the pandemic showed going for walks outside was one of the top coping strategies. 45% reported being in green spaces had been vital for mental health. Nature is, of course, the theme for Mental Health Awareness Week.
On the horizon, let's go find out.
There is a growing trend with teenagers who in particular appear to be less connected with nature, and around 13% of UK households have no access to a garden. We want to challenge the disparities in who is and who isn't able to experience nature. Nature is not a luxury, it is a resource that must be available for everyone to enjoy. Nature is so central to our psychological and emotional health that it's almost impossible to realise good mental health for all without a greater connection to the natural world. For most of human history, we lived as part of nature. It is only in the last 5 generations that so many of us have lived and worked in a context that is largely separated from nature. Thursday's walk and talk with a little bit of refreshments afterwards is a great way of getting together, and we're also working as a team towards 1 million steps for wellness. And that team fundraiser will raise funds for AAA as well as the new ARC. You can find us on Instagram, Fresh Community Wellness, Twitter, Fresh Sea Wellness, Facebook, Fresh Community Wellness, Facebook, Safe Defence Confidence, LinkedIn, Fresh Community Wellness, and Tumblr, Fresh Community Wellness. We'd love to hear from you. You can also email us info@freshcommunitywellness.com or log on to our website www.freshcommunitywellness.com.